Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use boost blocks in Jujutsu shenanigans. Boost blocks are a fantastic feature for creators, allowing you to add dynamic movement to your maps. They are special logic blocks designed to propel characters in a specific direction when activated, opening up many possibilities for interactive gameplay and creative level design. To begin, place both a boost block and a touch block in your map. You must link these two by assigning them identical identification numbers. The boost block features 3 input fields representing the X, Y, and Z axes, which control the direction and strength of the movement. Understanding the axes is key. The first number adjusts horizontal movement, the second controls vertical height, and the third manages forward or backward motion. Positive values move in one direction, while negative values reverse it. For example, setting the y-axis to 100 will launch a character upwards with significant force. Boost blocks offer immense creative potential. You can build exciting trampolines, efficient elevators, or even complex obstacle courses. By combining values across multiple axes, you can achieve diagonal or curved movements. A crucial detail to remember is that the player who activates the boost block will not be affected by its movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.